This is POCO X7, and today I will show how you can enable and configure the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So at the start you will need to find and launch the, Settings tab. Here enter the Sound and Vibration category, and now open the Do Not Disturb. You can now switch it on from here, as well as switch it off. You can also manage its options and settings. So for example, you can toggle the only when device is locked option, set up exceptions for calls, notify or not notify about repeated calls. If, for example, somebody is desperately trying to reach you over and over again, so you will see that. And you can also configure the automatic schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode to be enabled and disable that. You can also switch it on or off from the control center, so swipe downwards from the right half of the status bar, and here look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. So should be somewhere in here, not as far as I can see, but that's fine. Just press edit, go into the system toggles list, and look for the D&D mode toggle. Add it to the list of active controls, and then save the changes. And now you can very handily and conveniently switch it off from the control panel, or switch it on as well as switch it off. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.